Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index is struggling to hold onto its rebound from weekly lows. On Thursday, it traded narrowly but managed to edge higher to around 97.86, snapping a 4-day losing streak. Weak US employment data and the government shutdown have fueled expectations of further Fed rate cuts, leaving the dollar vulnerable under a dovish outlook. Traders are already pricing in 2 additional cuts for October and December, even with a slight improvement in the ISM manufacturing PMI to 49.1. WTI crude futures fell more than 2% on Thursday, sliding to about $60.20 a barrel, the lowest in 4 months. OPEC Plus is expected to approve a November production increase of up to 500,000 barrels per day, triple the October rise, with Saudi Arabia leading the push to regain market share. Signs of oversupply are building. OPEC output has climbed, Saudi supply has resumed, US crude and gasoline inventories are rising, and Kurdish exports through Turkey are restarting. Gold held near $3,860 per ounce on Thursday, after touching a fresh record high at $3,896. The rally was fueled by a weaker dollar and safe haven demand linked to the US government shutdown. Soft employment data reinforced expectations of a Fed rate cut later this month, further boosting gold's appeal. The shutdown, triggered by a political deadlock in Washington, has put thousands of federal jobs at risk and heightened market uncertainty. Investors naturally turn to gold as a hedge against both policy and geopolitical instability. Dollar yen has already fallen for 4 straight sessions, hitting a 2-week low, and bears appear firmly in control. The move was reinforced after weak US job data reignited Fed easing bets. Meanwhile, the Bank of Japan is facing renewed scrutiny, with 2 policy board members dissenting on monetary policy, and the Tenkan survey showing resilience across manufacturing and services. These factors have strengthened speculation of potential tightening in Japan, further supporting the yen. Traders now await Friday's jobs report for the next directional signal. In Thursday's Asian trade, the euro-dollar pair hovered around 1.172. Concerns over the US government shutdown undermine support for the dollar, especially since weekly jobless claims data will not be released while federal offices remain closed. The shutdown, triggered by a budget impasse in Congress, has cast doubt over upcoming US economic releases. On the European side, ECB President Christine Lagarde stressed that inflation risks remain contained but urged vigilance.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.